Hello everybody and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this black 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. And in the sport trim, this 1500 sports a 5.7 liter HEMI V8 engine. Some of the more notable features of this Dodge Ram 1500 include heated, ventilated, and power adjustable front leather seats, Bluetooth, cruise control, push button ignition, a rotary gear selector, remote passive entry, remote start, this touch display screen for your navigation, climate, and radio controls, as well as various vehicle settings. The screen will also display the feed from your backup camera. And this Ram 1500 is also equipped with dual zone air conditioning, heated steering, and a 115 volt outlet. Not to mention the sunroof. Well, thanks for watching. There's a lot more to show you about this Dodge Ram 1500 than I can show you in this quick video, and we would love to show more to you in person. So for more information or to even book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. And you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store or if you want us to bring this Dodge Ram 1500 out to you at your Calgary area home or office for your test drive. And have yourself a great day.